Hey guys, today I'm making a stationery. So at first we have to mark after every 6 centimeter and make straight line, and in the next step we have to make 5 centimeter. We have to mark after 5 centimeter. I tried to make it like grass, but it is exactly not looking like grass. So you can do it as you wish. You can make it like real grass, but it doesn't look so bad at all. It's good. So then we have to separate all the boxes, and then we will just stick them together. So see the process, then made it. It is very easy to make. So let's see. Now I have done. Now I'll separate all them. Oh, of course you have to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see how it turned out. It looks good, I guess. And then we have to put binder clips on it so that it don't move. So I'm just showing you how it turned out. And now I'm putting binder clips in two sides. Then we have to use glue to attach them together, and then I will put another binder clip so that it stick nicely. Then we will use a green paper on the top. So thanks for watching. Bye.